Hey guys, welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel. This is Neil, and in this video we'll be sharing our experiences with the new Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro 5G. But before we begin, let's take a look at the key specs and unique features. It features an Full HD Plus 6.78-inch IPS screen with Gorilla Glass protection. Inside is a 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor, a Mali-G57 GPU, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of ultra-fast storage 2.2, and 5000 mAh battery with an 18 watts fast charger. In the Philippines, the phone is priced at only 7,999 pesos. In front of the Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro is a 16 megapixel selfie camera, while at the back is a 48 megapixel primary camera, a 5 megapixel depth camera, a 2 megapixel macro, and another 2 megapixel depth sensor with dual LED flash. The phone is made of a combination of lightweight and high-quality polycarbonate, which makes it solid, hefty, and surprisingly eye-catching. The back panel is curved, which makes it easy to hold, but it is slippery and it is a fingerprint magnet. We recommend wearing a bumper case right away. For only under 8,000 pesos, the Aqua S10 Pro's 5G screen is surprisingly bright and vibrant. It's a Full HD panel, so the details and sharpness are good. Let's also not forget the Gorilla Glass protection that it has as well. And the bottom firing speakers is no slouch either. Cherry Mobile claims that the phone comes with a liquid cooling, and in our experience, even after 3.5 hours of continuous play, the phone remained warm, but it never got hot. In fact, it just raised by a few degrees. It never went higher. We drained the battery and it was just slightly warmer than normal. Inside the S10 Pro 5G is a 5000 mAh battery, and in our testing lasted for around 6 hours of on-screen time of normal use. We also tried playing Genshin Impact continuously for 3.5 hours, and we ended up with around 20% battery left. So that is very nice. The battery charges with an 18-watt charger, so it'll take around 90 minutes to charge it from 0 to 100%. This phone is one of the few affordable 5G phones that can also play demanding games. This means that the 5G speed offers a more stable connection. It's also faster, which makes a better experience for online games overall. You may need to get a good 5G data plan or 5G prepaid promo to keep up with the speed. Okay, let's play some games. Let's start with the Call of Duty. As you can see guys, the Cherry Mobile S10 Pro 5G can handle games pretty well. It's not the most powerful one, so don't expect the best graphics, but it is pretty efficient. The battery lasts long and it does keep up with the amount of items in the screen, especially if there are a lot of things happening. For 8,000 pesos, the Aqua S10 Pro 5 managed to unlock the medium graphics settings with the high frame rate setting in Call of Duty Mobile. Very few phones in the price range can reach that and unlock both of them and use them at the same time. And it's been very efficient and we've been able to play smoothly. It's not the best graphics, but it is smooth. Let's now move on to Genshin Impact. Like other phones with the Dimensity 700, it unlocks the lowest graphics setting as a default. So do not expect the best graphics for this chip and this price point, but it was a decent experience. It did slightly slow down when there are a lot of things happening in the frame, but it is playable. Good job, Cherry Mobile. As you can see guys, for only 7,999 pesos, the Aqua S10 Pro 5G offers impressive value. It features specs that compare with phones at 12,000 pesos while performing very similarly. We cannot discount its good display, long battery life, 5G connectivity, and decent liquid cooling system. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Do not forget to reach out through our socials if you have any questions and clarifications. Maybe subscribe as well. This has been Neil and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.